Hi there, if you're a car dealership or working one, this video is for you. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we investigate and share with you specific actions on how to boost your online marketing skills like never before. Today we'll reveal 6 groundbreaking tips and tricks that captivate your audience, transform your car visuals into selling tools, and skyrocket your sales. We also have a bonus tip, and if you watch to the end, you will get to find out. This is the first video of a short 2-part series focused on everything you need to know about car photography. Depending on when you watch this video, we make sure to add part 2 in the description and also add it to the end screen of this video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the new videos when they arrive. This video is sponsored by Glow3D.com. We're an all-in-one marketing software for car dealerships, and while you do not need us to implement what we will discuss here, we can help you automate it so you can focus on nurturing the leads and turn them into sales. So without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1. Finding the perfect location and time to capture jaw-dropping car photos. The right location is key. It can be a road, a stunning viewpoint, a garage with interesting architecture, or even your own showroom. Choose a time that helps you aim for soft, diffused lighting that highlights the car's contours and enhances its shape. Consider shooting during a golden hour. That's early morning or late afternoon for beautiful warm tones. More on that later in the next section. The location and time not only provide a clean and captivating background, but also creates a sense of adventure and luxury. If you don't have access to a good background, using virtual background is a great solution to get most of the benefits without the downsides. Tip number 2. Equipping yourself with suitable gear. Now that you have found the perfect location, it's time to gear up. Discover the must-have equipment that will elevate your car photography. With today's advancements in the smartphones combined with available apps such as Glow3D, you can use virtual photo studios and get 80% of the look of a professional capture with only 20% of the effort. But if you have the time and access to the professional equipment, you can create stunning photos. For the professional photography, DSLR cameras with a wide-angle lens and steady tripods are the essentials to capture every single frame flawlessly. The wide-angle lens lets you showcase the entire vehicle in one frame, highlighting its unique design and features. By using a tripod, you can keep the camera steady and minimize the blur, resulting in a sharp and professional-looking image. Now you are ready to capture a full shot of the car. Tip number 3. Playing with angles. Regardless of using a smartphone or a professional camera, angles can make or break a car photo. Get ready to unleash your creativity by experimenting with different perspectives. Shooting from low angles can make a car look powerful and emphasize size and dominance, showcasing the car's muscular design and show a sense of speed and performance, while high-angle photography showcases design and elegance. So makes it sleek lines and captivating details. Now I'll tell you how to prepare for a shot from low angles. Position yourself at a low angle close to the ground. Lowering your perspective will create a sense of drama and emphasize the car's presence. Its aggressive and powerful car presence. As a rule of thumb, the height of the camera should be just under the door handle. Consider the car's lines, curves, and details that makes it stand out. Then frame the shot and align the car diagonally within the frame to add a dynamic element. Utilize leading lines. These lines can be road markings, fences, or any other elements that naturally draw attention to the car. Incorporate leading lines in the composition to guide the viewer's eyes towards the car. For the high-angle shots, look for a stable and safe platform that lets you shoot from an elevated position or hold the camera high. When framing your shot, consider the lines, curves, and overall aesthetic of the car. Then position your camera at a suitable angle to capture the car from above. This can involve tilting the camera downwards or angling it to align with the lines and shape of the car. As a rule of thumb, the height of the camera should be the same level as the car roof or ceiling. To minimize camera shake, use a remote trigger or set a timer on your camera to capture the shots without physically touching it, especially if you're using a professional camera. This helps maintain stability and sharpness in the image. Now you're prepared to amaze your audience with unique shots. Tip number 4, taming reflections. Reflections can either enhance or distract from your car's appeal, but how can you manage it? First, attach a polarizing filter to your camera lens or your phone. Then, by rotating and adjusting the angle of the filter, this is very important, you can effectively control and minimize glare, letting the true color and details of the car to shine through. This helps minimize reflections from windows, shiny paints, or chrome accents, resulting in more clear and defined details. Besides, sometimes you can benefit from the reflection through perfect positioning. For example, when capturing a car on a reflective surface, like a wet road or a shiny floor, position the car and the camera in a way that captures interesting reflections that enhances the composition and add a dynamic element to the image. There you have it. Car dealerships, we are done with the part 1 of this 2-part series. You can see the link to the part 2 of this video in the comments, descriptions, and also the end screen of this video. By implementing these expert tips and tricks, you will capture stunning visuals that drive sales and set your dealership apart from competition. So whether you are using a smartphone or a professional camera, grab your gear, explore exciting locations, and let your creativity soar. If you found this video helpful and exciting, please help us keep going by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your fellow car dealers, and hitting that subscribe button. We post 1 video per week to share more game-changing insights and help you improve your sales and marketing skills and stay ahead in the automotive industry. Don't miss out on our future videos packed with valuable tips, tricks, and industry insight. Stay safe, and we'll catch you on the next episode.